Hello, today in this video I would like to show you how to disable the feature to get a notification from Sitecore community. And basically it's when you subscribe into any topic of discussion, so it will send all of the activity notification email into your email. So actually it will be the spam email. You go ahead to click on the image icon of account and click on setting. And click on the notification tab. Here you click on you uncheck all of the action you want to be unsubscribed and go ahead to click on the share button. But after that you get the access denied error. That means you cannot save the configuration for notification for your account. Okay, so now you go ahead to click on the general. You click on the go to detail of any topic. You can see here we have a setting icon. You go ahead to click on this. Yeah, so click on the forum notification. Basically, it will after you subscribe into this topic, it will be forum notification on. So now go ahead to click on it to make it off. Okay, do the same thing with another. Yes, and I hope after you finish this video, you know how to disable the spam notification from community of Sitecore. Okay, so hope that helped and feel free to let me know if you have any question. And bye bye and see you later.